Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna show how to create our first program. Okay, so we're gonna click on new project right here because it's the fastest way to create a new project. And after that I'm gonna create a Hello World program, which is usually the first program that someone's create uh, just for to get familiar with the language. Okay, so here there is some information that you may pay attention. Okay, so my Visual Studio has support for some languages. As you guys can see, C Sharp, actually C++ right here. I'm on the Visual C Sharp tab, more specifically Windows, and I'm gonna have some templates right here. I'm gonna click on console application. Okay, so we're gonna create a console application in C Sharp. Okay, that's good. So let's just click OK, and we're gonna open up a new project with some files on it, and I'm gonna go with the basic. Okay, so I'm just gonna talk about the main file, and furthermore I would talk about some of the stuff that happens under the hood. Okay, so to zoom in you just hold control and scroll up. Actually scroll up. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, you guys can see it. So just hold control and your scroll button on the mouse and you can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so pretty good. So there's a lot here that I'm not going to cover on this video, and we're gonna start with the most basic program ever, that is just to outprint the message hello world. To do that we're gonna use a class which you discussed later, but just keep in mind that we are talking about something that does something. So we're gonna type console. We're gonna execute a method. To do that we're gonna type dot. Okay, and the method that we're going to execute is called write line. Okay, so you guys can see it right here. We're gonna open up parentheses. Okay, and we're gonna open up double quotes. Okay, and between those double quotes we're gonna type hello world. It's the most basic thing in the world. So we're gonna type semicolon to finish. Okay, so this is our program so far. I'm gonna click start right here, and we're gonna see the execution. The execution will take place. I hope it is good enough to capture the output. So yeah, it was not possible to capture the output, so I'm just gonna build with Control F5. Okay, Control Function 5. So we're gonna see the output right here. So you guys can see we have hello world, which is possible because I'm holding Control F5, which means that we're gonna build and pause. Let me see if I have right here. As you guys can see right here, start without debugging, which means that we're not going to run the debugger. And sometimes that is useful, okay, but not going to talk about that. It's too complicated, it's too overwhelming for this first video. So to print something on the screen, just use console.writeLine, and that's it. So for this video, just this, okay, but we're gonna talk about more in the next couple of videos. So thanks for watching and see you guys next time.